barakatuh. Dear teacher, parents and my dear friends, all praise is due to Allah, the Lord of the world. Peace and blessings be upon our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Islam teaches us peace, love, honest kindness. As Muslim, you must pray 5 times a day, respect our parents, obey our teachers, and speak the truth. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Khairun nasi anfa'uhum linnas," meaning the best among you are those who are most beneficial to others. So, my dear friends, we should help others, share our things, and never hurt anyone. A kind heart, a smiling face, and good manners make a true Muslim. Let us promise today that we will love Allah, follow the Sunnah, respect elders, be kind to everyone, and Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.